Hi, I'm going to show you how to register for Day and Twilight Camp at Girl Scouts of Northeast Texas. From the website, you'll go to Camp, Summer Camp, Day and Twilight Camps. You'll read the descriptions, and below you can see all of the amazing volunteer-led Day and Twilight camps happening across our council. You'll click the Register button, which will take you to Camp Doc. I'm going to log in as myself. And you'll see that I have one participant, my daughter, Anna. I'm going to go to Registration, Register for a new session, and here I can see a similar list of the Day and Twilight camps happening in our council. I'm going to register as a camper, or I will register Anna as a camper, and I'm going to do Breckenridge Trails because we live in Richardson. So you read the instructions here. I'm going to select Basic and Continue. Here I enter my credit card number and confirm payment. If I wanted to register myself for a Day Twilight camp, I would need to create a new participant. And after I've added myself as a participant, I can register for a new session. I would be registering as an adult volunteer for Breckenridge. And as you can see, for adult volunteers, it's free to register. I'm going to decline the protection package, and I've registered. One thing to note is that for each Day Twilight camp, the definition of these roles are different. Each volunteer leader of each Day Twilight camp defines camp aide and camp youth staff in a different way. Campers and adult volunteers are pretty straightforward, but for the Day Twilight camp that you're looking for, please go back to the website and to the descriptions to find out how they define a youth staff and a camp aide. As always, if you have any questions about camp registration or anything with our systems, please reach out to our customer care team at 972-349-2400 or email customercare@gsnetx.org.